Good afternoon, everyone. It's a Sunday afternoon. It is absolutely beautiful. I'm coming to you from Paseo State Park in Los Gatos, California. What a beautiful setting. It is so pretty here. It's so beautiful. Look at that. So, I have had an action-packed weekend. Today I decided to change my pace and decided to do mostly DoorDasher. It's similar to rideshare, but instead of giving people rides, I am giving food rides. Booyah! I pick up food that people have ordered from different restaurants all over the south here. I've been in San Jose, Campbell, all areas in the south to this afternoon and the morning. So I've done okay today. It's been kind of slow at times, but I enjoy the smells of all that good food. So in a little bit, I'm going to have the feature restaurant of the day and some little surprises in there for you. I hope you like it. And it smelled so good in my car that, wow. So I will be talking to you later. I did have some good experience. I have another story I have to tell you later. But for now, I'm going to leave you from this beautiful park in Los Gatos, California. Isn't it picturesque? So, I will continue this video in just a moment, and you're going to see the featured restaurant of the week. Hello everyone, I'm at Tbirds in Los Gatos, California. I'm waiting for some pizza because I'm doing some DoorDash this afternoon, delivering food. I just thought that was pretty cool. Look at this Chevy here. Isn't that cool? It even has its lights on down below, see? It's got a wood, and then look at this. Isn't that cool? And look at this little guy, ready to go surfing. Look at those cool cars. It's a real cool place. And here's another place for people to sit down and eat. The back end of a old truck. This has a lot of neat features here. It's a cool place. It's a beautiful afternoon in Los Gatos, California. It's about 82 degrees. And I'm still waiting for pizza, but I just wanted to show you. I'm at Los Gatos Shopping Center. Really pretty here. And I'm gonna pan over to the hills up there. Look at that pretty. I'm gonna do a view all the way around. What do you think of that putty cat? Here's another one over here. Look at there. Big and bold. I think this is a real cute place across the street from where I'm waiting to get pizza called Sweet Peas. Look, they sell crepe, sandwiches, burgers. I'm going to show you the other side here. Look what's growing. All this beautiful ivy. Isn't that gorgeous? Just really a nice place. And across the street, there's Tbirds. There it is. That's what I'm waiting for, the pizza. Here's some more miniature cars and motorcycles. Here's a motorcycle. Isn't that cool? And then we got a little bug here. Isn't that cool? And then a hippie van. What else we got here? We have, I think that's a pretty cool car. Wow, look at that. And then this is got the flag of London or England on it. There you go. Beautiful stuff, huh? Here's a few more cars. Look at that puppy. Look at that guy. Wow. Look at that Mustang. Wow, look at that. look at that old car. Let's get another one here. Woo, look at that sharp little Mustang convertible. And the 7-Eleven truck. And look at that. Look at that fast car. We're talking cars and more cars. Look at that looking guy. That guy's loaded. White walls and all. Look at that. Look at this Mustang here. That's a keeper. Look at that. And of course we got the Coca-Cola truck. Look at that. And we got a surfer, dude. We got a surfer. Look at that. And we got a ship going on here. Wow, look at that.